Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about skincare and helping you achieve a healthy, radiant complexion. Today, we're diving into the topic of face masks and why choosing the right one for your skin type is crucial for maintaining its overall health and appearance. Let's start by understanding the different types of face masks available in the market. From clay masks to sheet masks, the options can be overwhelming. However, the key is to select a mask that caters specifically to your skin's needs. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, look for masks that contain ingredients like kaolin or bentonite clay. These clays work wonders in absorbing excess oil and unclogging pores, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and mattified. For those with dry or dehydrated skin, consider opting for masks that contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These ingredients help replenish and lock in moisture, giving your skin a plump and radiant look. If your skin is sensitive or prone to redness, go for masks that have soothing properties, such as aloe vera or chamomile extracts. These gentle ingredients help calm and nourish your skin, reducing any irritation or inflammation. Mature skin can benefit from masks that offer anti-aging properties. Look for masks infused with ingredients like retinol, peptides, or antioxidants, which help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and promote a more youthful appearance. Remember, always read the labels and do a patch test before using any new product to ensure it suits your skin. Additionally, it's important to follow the recommended usage instructions and avoid leaving the mask on for longer than recommended, as it may cause adverse effects. Now that we've covered the importance of selecting the right face mask for your skin, let's discuss a few additional tips for maximizing their effectiveness. Firstly, cleanse your face thoroughly before applying the mask. This ensures that the mask can penetrate deep into your pores and deliver its benefits more effectively. Next, apply an even layer of the mask, avoiding the sensitive areas around your eyes and lips. Use gentle, upward strokes to evenly distribute the product. Once the mask is on, take this time to relax and let it work its magic. You can meditate, read a book, or simply unwind while the mask does its job. After the recommended duration, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the benefits and keep your skin hydrated. And there you have it. By selecting the right face mask and following these tips, you're well on your way to achieving a healthier, glowing complexion. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so make sure to incorporate face masks into your routine regularly for optimal results. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay beautiful.